Hi everybody, finders are keepers. Hope you're having a good weekend. This is of course a Saturday. It's about 90 where I'm at, and I'm actually going to go ahead and hunt this area again. Being kind of secretive a little bit about it there, because I don't want anybody else to come get it, because I've been successful here. But I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I might be hesitant on showing some of my finds as I'm doing it, and I'm trying to keep it all to me and my partner there. So. But I'll get back with you, and of course at the end you always see what I find. So stay with me here, and I'll see what we can do. Hey, Hunters Keepers back. I want to tell you one more thing here is when I've hunted here before, I actually went to my smallest coil on here. So I had so much trash area, and of course I just got my T2, so I'm going to go ahead and leave my 11-inch one on there, and know the machine a little bit better. We'll see how it goes. If I need to, I'll move it back to the smaller coil again. And but we're gonna go with that. So I'm gonna go with this and get back with you again. Thanks. Okay, finders and keepers back. And my first thing looks like it's a ear ring. You can see where it, whoops, come apart there. With these chains coming off of it. So, don't know if that's gold or not. And I almost did not dig it. You know, jumping around. I said, what the heck? Let's just go all out today. Okay. Let's see if I can find some more treasure for us. Get back with you. Alright guys, finders are keepers here. Let me turn this so you can see this hole here. And how deep that is. Saying a dime. I kept going and going and going. And then I'm finding a pretty good size like nail on the bottom there. So I was the whole length of my digger. So what is that? 10, 11 inches or so. Found me a nail. Alright, get back with you. Well everybody, finders are keepers here. Let me tell you about this. I don't know what's the best thing. I'm along a walkway here, and you can see about the size of that. That's maybe 15, 16 inches this way, and about 5 inches that way. Okay? Oh, I spent some time here. What I ended up getting was 6 coins, 1 pull top, 1 bolt, the top of a pencil that has the eraser with that little metal piece around it, that, and then a little piece of part of what was aluminum can type of thing in that area right there. Because when I had the coil going down there, well, it's still saying there's something there too. Oh, net. That. It gave me signals going everywhere. So I went in and got out my Garrett Pro pinpointer there and started getting them one at a time, locate, dig, and pulled them out. But that was an interesting one. Thought it was just where somebody had one of those pocket dumps there, but then when I was getting everything else, hard to tell. Alright, that's enough here. It took me a quick break. I got probably about another 15 minutes or so to do here, and I did very well up through there. I got, probably another dozen or so coins up through there, and with these right here. So when I get home, I'll lay them all out and see what we got, and count it up. Alright, stand by now. Don't go nowhere. Hey everybody, was just right up there. down here now, still alongside, and went ahead and pulled a penny out of there, and I didn't recheck. Stupid. Then got up and tried to walk away. My coil went over, made a noise again. So I got back down there. I don't know if you can tell there, I pulled off this, okay? And right there, I got another one. Actually, I just pulled out two. A quarter, and looks like another penny. Let me use my pinpointer here. There's still something down there, so let me put you on hold for a minute and be right back. Okay, all I did just now is I took, I lined up this right here and started moving it, and you can see two more right there just fall. See, that's a penny, that's a dime. Oops, here is another, looks like dime. I'll lay those right there. And then I've taken those and put in my pocket. And my Garrett still says there's something there, so let me push up again a little bit. Now, I'm only about 2 inches down. Aha, I do see something, but that looks like it's this is a screw on top. That's down in that hole, and still have something in here. Oh, there we go. It looks to be a dime. Alright, my Garrett is not saying anything else here, so let me push these back a little bit and run my coil over it. Turn it a little bit there. Oh, I guess I was blocking that, sorry. Yeah, see, that's done now. So, these guys down here, which is a couple more dimes, or 3 more dimes and a penny there. Going in my pocket with what was the other dime, quarter, and another penny. And then this. So let me go ahead and fill that in. I'll recheck it again and get back with you. Okay, folks. Right where the coil setting is where I was just at. And hear that? 3 to 4 inches right there to the right. And I don't know if I can get close to see this. But down here, it's actually a penny. So, you'll have a lot of action happening right there. I'm going to hold that up there for a second. And my Garrett pinpointer tells me you got something else here. Alright, hold on a second. Don't see anything yet. Well, I must have moved out because I have no noise there now. So I flipped it somewhere and lost it. So let me look around for this wonderful guy and I'll get right back. Alright, what I got from that is another penny and a button down in there. So I'm about ready to wrap this up. Getting ready for me. Gotta get home and I'll lay these things out when I get there. We'll see what we got. See you later. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting to all of you.